As the world is evolving towards the digital era, it is quite important to maintain a good social profile and have an excellent social presence. One way to promote your product or service is by making use of one of the most prominent digital marketing channels, that is social media marketing. So hi guys, this is Vaishnavi from Edureka, and today we are going to be discussing about one of the hot topics in the field of digital marketing, that is how social media marketing benefits your business. But before we get any further with this session, let's take a look at the agenda. So firstly, I'll start off with talking about what exactly is social media marketing, followed by which we'll take a look at the major pillars of this field. And moving ahead, we'll also take a look at the different types of tools which are available in the market, which are mainly focusing on social media marketing. And then we'll wrap up this session by taking a look at a few tips and which platform you should choose in order to gain more traffic and engagement by social media marketing. So, what according to you is social media marketing? There are nearly 3 billion active social media users across the globe, and this constitutes up to 40% of the entire world's population. And around 90% of social media users across the globe access social networks through mobile. Also, this sector is way faster in terms of reaching your customers irrespective of their location status. It mainly refers to the process of obtaining more traffic through social media sites. So, this is the major agenda of using social media marketing, guys. It is a vast field where you can find evergreen job opportunities for freshers as well as experienced professionals. Some major social media platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. So, now that you guys have got a clear idea about what is social media marketing, let's understand its benefit. How exactly social media is going to benefit you or your business. Let's have a look. Social media can help you out in a lot of ways, guys. It helps you increase your website traffic, also helps you raising your brand's awareness, helps you in creating your brand identity, and also helps you in improvising your communication with customers or prospects. So this is exactly how social media is helping you out in delivering your content to your customers or prospects. So moving on, let's understand what keeps social media intact and so much more life. So let's understand how. So we'll mainly discuss about the 5 pillars in the field of social media marketing. So let's see what are they. So there are 5 pillars, like I mentioned, which helps in keeping social media marketing alive. So the 5 major pillars of social media marketing is the strategy, planning, engagement, analytics, and advertising. So let's understand how they help social media marketing. First, we'll discuss about the strategy. So this phase is considered as the major part that drives the growth of your company. It lets you analyze, set relevant goals, and also helps you in planning your business. The more effective your strategy is, the more are your chances to being successful. So, talking about the strategy, it encompasses everything related to planning, setting goals, how to meet the desired goals, analyzing, how to engage with your audience, and so on. And also, another major feature I would say about strategizing your social media campaign would be it lets you know what kind of conversation you should have with what kind of intellectual person or so on, something like that. So, this is exactly how strategy helps in social media marketing. Now, talking about planning, a large part of your success in business depends on how well you plan your social media campaigns. Also, before you start posting on social media, you need to have an amazing plan, guys. Research about your current market trends and define your target audience and identify which social platform is suitable for your business. Okay. In order to create a good plan, having an objective is more likely to help you with that. As long as you stick to your plan and work on improvising it, you'll be in safe hand, guys. Now, moving on to the next important pillar of social media marketing, we have the engagement factor. As your business grows, the reach also eventually increases. You'll have a lot of things to take care. Starting with maintaining a good social profile to interacting with customers on any of the social media platforms, you'll be on the edge of your marketing campaign. So, having good engagement ratio is going to help you with that. Now, the best part is you can track your engagement ratio by using engagement tools like Buffer, Slack, and so on. It aggregates all your social media mentions, also the posts that didn't tag your business's social media profile, including a few messages. Now, this was about engagement. Now, talking about analytics, social media is a very vast platform where you can promote any of your product. Analyzing its roots can give you enough kickstart your business growth. So analyzing your leads from social media, tracking them and converting them is very important. You can make use of a few analytics tool like Google Analytics, Kissmetrics, and many more, which helps you analyze your website's performance on the SERPs. Now, talking about the fifth and the most important pillar of social media marketing, we have the advertising factor. Have you ever seen some ads which pop up every now and then while you're watching a video? These are nothing but the advertisements that are up for promotions. Social media is so damn powerful that you can manage the status of who can view your advertisement. You can always make use of platforms like Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Instagram sponsored ads, and so on. So, this is exactly how you can promote your product by pushing it. So, advertising is one of the major factors or the major reason for you to even create content in the first place. As long as you promote your content or promote your work, it will be useful for you as well as the customer or whoever it is on the receiver end. So these were the 5 major pillars of social media marketing. Now moving ahead, let's take a look at the different tools which are used. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about only 2 major social media marketing tools. So let's understand them in detail. So I'm going to be focusing mainly on 2 tools that are namely Buffer and Hootsuite. So let's understand them in detail. Firstly, we'll talk about Buffer. So Buffer is a software application which is mainly designed for web and mobile. It can manage your social accounts by helping you schedule posts on Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And also the best part about this is it lets you analyze your results and provides means to communicate and engage with your customers. This is an extension, guys, and also this browser extension is one of the latest productive hacks. I've tried to list down a few notable features of this, so let's have a look. It is easy to share your posts faster using Buffer's browser extensions. It is free of cost, guys, and you can share your tweets at the right time. If you get any tweets or retweets, you can just tweet back or you can just retweet at the right time. And also, it is easy to track top performing contents. If you're going to be working on a keyword, like say digital marketing, for example, if you're going to be working on digital marketing, you want to know the top performing content, right? So this tool helps you give you the insights about the top performing content, and also you can easily customize your scheduling process for each platform. You can also make use of the Chrome extension, like I mentioned, to add articles and contents from web to your buffer queue or share the content on the go. Now moving on to the next tool, that is Hootsuite. Hootsuite is one among the most widely used social media marketing platforms, and it was created by Ryan Holmes in 2008. This social media marketing platform lets you build smarter workflows, scales across your organization, and delivers demonstrable ROI. This amazing tool allows you to collaborate with your team members. Alongside the major benefit of seeing your comments and mentions in one place, you can also assign tasks, plot a social media calendar, and schedule your updates over there. So this was about the 2 major tools which are used for social media management. Now moving on to the next part of this session, let's take a look at the different tips that I'm going to be giving you related to social media marketing. A few tips from my end to help you out with social media marketing, guys. So the first thing you should do is identify your market goals. Set a proper goal and try to work towards it and create unique and specific strategy for each social media platforms. If you're working on Facebook, you need to have a different strategy. If you're working on Instagram, you need to be very unique and different. Always be consistent, guys, and always choose the right platform, that is the right social media platform for promotion. See, you need to know how to analyze your website, guys. Once you know that you're getting traffic from one of the marketing channels, you should focus on that. And if you're not getting more traffic from one of the channels, you should try focusing on a different channel and try to, elaborate or try to be more interactive with your customers and try to create more good content. So this is exactly how you can get more traffic. Also focus on your messaging part because it has a greater impact on your website as well as your business. Always be up to date with the latest technology trends. This is a must, guys. If you're working on social media platforms, you need to be very up to date with the technology trends. Also know how to analyze your results and focus on the part which needs more attention. So this is how any company grows. This is exactly how anybody comes to the first position in the SARBs. So know how to analyze your results. Okay, so these were a few tips from my end, guys. Now, coming to the last part or the final part of this session, let's understand how to choose the best social media platform. Knowing what to market and how to market plays a vital role in choosing the right social media platform. So, here are a few points that you should consider before selecting any social media platform. Seek out your target audience, guys. Focus on what your customers are looking for and try to deliver accurate results. Also, define a good set of goals and build a good business strategy. Always concentrate on what your customers want, and delivering good content requires a lot of research, and also you should be good at social media management tools. And also, distributing your content is a must, guys. If you're working in an e-commerce site, you should know how to handle posts, you should know how to analyze your results, you should know how to track them, and so on, right? So these are a few factors which you should consider before selecting any social media platform. Also, with this, we come to the end of this video on social media marketing. I hope you guys are clear with the topics that has been discussed. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.